Right, so today we have with us the Freewell ND16 hybrid polarizer filter. It's mounted on my Mavic Mini, as you can see here. It's actually very useful because, you know, with this filter, like in a sunny day like we are today, you can basically get the right amount of light in the drone, and this allows you to have smooth motion blur. So like normally without a filter you will end up having your shutter speed to like 1/2000 or something like that, which means you get photos, you don't get a video. Now with this extra filter we actually are able to set the shutter speed to 1/60, which is the cinematic one, and your motions will look way more cinematic. So let's check out some test footage. Alright, now we are back in the studio. I've been flying the drone. I had a look at the footage and I can tell you more about these ND filters from Freewell, the ND16 PL. When I was flying the drone, I didn't notice any slowdown of the gimbal itself. Everything was operating smooth. The filter remained attached at all times to the gimbal itself, didn't fall off, so no problems on that side. The weight of the drone plus the filter was still within the 250 gram. It did indeed exactly hit the 250 gram, up from 249 gram without the filter to 250 gram with the filter, with the batteries and the SD card in the drone. In terms of performance, we obviously achieved the cinematic motion blur. As you have seen, I've been able to keep the shutter speed to 1/60 on a sunny bright day. No vignetting was observed at all, and interesting enough, the filter was actually improving the quality of the picture by means of increasing the contrast in the image. This is achieved because the filter has indeed a built-in polarizer. So what it does is removing some reflection from the image, so you actually get the direct light and not the reflected light, which actually increases your contrast. And I also noticed that the Mini had an easier life to find a good white balance with less light entering the camera. Overall, I really like this filter. I have to say, maybe the price is a little bit on the high side because you pay 20 bucks for just a small filter. It comes in this kind of jewelry box, interesting box. But at the same time, if you want to have more value for your money, you can buy the extended kits, which come with more filters. Actually, each one of them is suitable for a specific lighting condition. For most of the usage, this one, the ND16 with the polarizer, is what you're looking for. This will dramatically increase the quality of the footage from your Mavic Mini on a bright sunny day. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy having a look with me at these filters for the Mavic Mini. And as always, leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you like the video. and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and keep flying high.